Hello students, let's do rational numbers exercise 2D. Page number 39 and we are with question 3, evaluate. So here in the first question, we have these rational numbers in brackets. So we're going to remove the brackets. So we're going to begin with minus 6 into 5 by 18. So let's remove what's within brackets here. Let's work it out in the working column. So that is minus 6 into 5 by 18. So now here minus 6 is by itself. We can give it the denominator 1. Now we can cancel. We can cancel certain numbers. We can cancel 6 and 18. Because it's multiplication, we can cancel 6 and 18. We can cancel both by a common factor, which is 6. It's also divisible by 3, but let's take the highest common factor. So both these are divisible by 6. So let's use 6 itself. So this would be 6 ones are 6. And because it's a minus sign here, it's minus 1 and 6 threes are 18. Now we can multiply the numerators, minus 1 into 5 and 1 into 3, the denominators. So the numerator minus 1 into 5 will be minus 5. 1 5s are 5 and denominator 1 3s are 3. So here we have removed brackets here and we have minus 5 by 3. And then here, before we remove the brackets, now here there's only one rational number inside, there's no other operation to be done, so we can straight away remove the brackets. So before you remove, look at the sign before the bracket, it's a minus sign, so this will change to plus. So we're going to remove this minus sign and put plus 4 2 by 9. So let's write that plus 4 2 by 9. Now this is an addition sum. So we have an addition operation. So we're going to add up these two rational numbers. First thing we'll do is we'll convert this to an improper fraction. So let's do that. So first fraction will remain the same. First rational number will remain the same. So that is minus 5 by 3 plus, let's convert this. Now when you convert, you do 9 into 4. 9 4s are 36 and then add plus 2. 36 plus 2 is 38. So 38 by 9. So now if we have to solve this, if we have to work this out, we have to find the LCM of the denominators to make them like denominators. So let's find the LCM of 3 and 9. So this we can use 3 itself to divide it. 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. And again we continue with 3, 1 and 1. 3 1s are 3. So what is the LCM here? LCM is 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. So we're going to use that as a common denominator here to do the addition. So 9. So the denominators, both the denominators have now become 9. So let's multiply 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. So we'll multiply minus 5 also into 3. Minus 5 into 3 is minus 15. 5 3s are 15. Plus, let's go to the next rational number. 9 into 1 is 9. So 38 into 1 is 38. So this is 38. So now we have to solve this. Minus 15 plus 38. Signs are different. So we put the sign of the bigger number, that is plus, and we subtract 38 minus 15. So let's do that. 38 minus 15. 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So what do we get here? 23. 23 by 9. 23 by 9 is an improper fraction. So let's convert it to a mixed number. Now how do we do that? We divide 23 by 9. So 9 2s are 18. We can write that. 9 2s are 18 and then we minus. So here 13 minus 8 is 5. So now we're going to use this to write our mixed fraction. 2 is the whole number, the natural number that we're going to write here. 5 is the numerator and 9 is the denominator. So our final answer here is 2 5 by 9. Question 2. So here we have one operation 7 by 8 into 8 by 7 plus we have another operation here minus 5 by 9 into 6 by 25. So let's work out this first. We'll remove the brackets here and then we'll remove these brackets. So let's begin. We have 7 by 8 into 8 by 7. So let's see what we can cancel. So we can cancel 7 and 7. Both are divisible by 7. So that is 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. Similarly, 8 also, 8 ones are 8 and 8 ones are 8. So what do we have in the numerator? 1 into 1, which is 1, and denominator also 1 into 1, which is 1. 1 by 1 is simply 1. So here let's write it as 1 by 1 now because we have an addition to be done. So let's take the next part. Let's work out this. So that is minus 5 by 9 into 6 by minus 25. So let's see what we can cancel. First, I can cancel this minus sign in the numerator here and this minus sign in the denominator here. So the minus sign is cancelled. Now I can cancel 5 and 25 both by 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 fives are 25. I can also cancel 6 and 9 by 3. 3 twos are 6 and 3 threes are 9. So remember to use one common factor when you cancel. So now the numerators are 1 into 2. 1 twos are 2 and the denominators are 3 fives are 15. So 2 by 15. So let's write that there. 2 by 15. So we have to add 1 by 1 plus 2 by 15. So our LCM here of the denominators 1 and 15 will be 15. Whenever you have 1 as one denominator, the other denominator will automatically become the LCM. So now let's go to the first fraction 1 by 1. 1 into 15 is 15. So multiply this into 15. So 1 into 15 is 15 here. Plus 15 into 1. 15 into 1 is 15. So we multiply 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. So we have here 15 plus 2, which is 17, and denominator is 15. So 17 by 15 is an improper fraction. Let's convert it to a mixed number. That is by dividing 17 by 15. 15 ones are 15, and then we minus 7 minus 5 is 2. So we have our numbers there, whole number 1, then we have 2 as our numerator and our denominator is 15. So what is the final answer? 1, 2 by 15. Question 3. Now here we have one set of brackets to be removed. Then we have to do the multiplication and then we have to do this addition. So let's remove the brackets first. So what do we have there? We have 11 by minus 9 into 21 by 44. Now is there something that we can cancel here? Yes, we can cancel 11 and 44. 11 ones are 11 and 11 fours are 44. We can cancel 9 and 21 also by 3. 3 threes are 9 with the minus sign and 3 sevens are 21. Now let's multiply the numerators. 1 into 7 is 7 and 3 fours are 12. That's minus 12. So what do we have here? 7 by minus 12. So here the first one is 7 by minus 12. Now next let's do the next multiplication, which is minus 5 by 9 into 63 by minus 100. Okay, so here we can first cancel the minus signs because it's in the numerator as well as the denominator. Now we can cancel 5 and 100. We can divide both by 5. 5 ones are 5 and here 5 twos are 10 and a 0. So 5 into 20 is 100. Now we can cancel 9 and 63 both by 9 itself. 9 ones are 9 and 9 into 7. 9 sevens are 63. Now 7 ones are 7. We have multiplied the numerators. Denominators 1 into 20 is 20. So here we have 7 by 20. So here the sign is plus and 7 by 20. Now as you can see, we have a minus sign in the first rational number in the denominator, which we are going to remove and put it in the numerator. So what do we have here? We now have minus 7 by 12 plus 7 by 20. So now we're going to add up these two rational numbers. So before that, we need to find the LCM of the denominators 12 and 20. So let's use 2. 2 6s are 12, 2 10s are 20. And then we continue with 2 again. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Let's continue. This time we'll use 3. 3 1s are 3 and then 5. And now we're going to use 5. 1 and 5 1s are 5. So the LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So what is that now? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So the LCM here is 60. So let's use 60 and work out. So 60 is the common denominator. Let's go to the first denominator here, 12. 12 5s are 60. So minus 7 into 5. Minus 7 into 5 is minus 35. 7 5s are 35. Plus 20 is the denominator. 20 into 3 is 60. So multiply 7 into 3. 7 3s are 21. So now we have minus 35 plus 21. Signs are different. So let's put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. Subtract 35 and 21. So minus 5 minus 1 is 4 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So we get minus 14 here. Minus 14 by 60. Now this can be reduced to the lowest term. 14 and 60 are both even numbers, so they're both divisible by 2. So let's divide this by 2. So what do we get here? We get 2 into 7 is 14, so minus 7, and in the denominator 2 into 30 is 60, so this is 30. So what is our final answer? Minus 7 by 30 is our final answer. We have one operation here, then we have addition plus another operation. So let's finish what is within brackets first. So minus 5 by 9 into 6 by minus 25. So what can be cancelled here? First we can cancel the minus signs because there's one in the numerator and one in the denominator. Now we can cancel 5 and 25 both by 5. 5 1s are 5 and 5 5s are 25. We can also cancel 9 and 6 by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. So now what do we have? 1 into 2 is 2 and 3 into 5 is 15. So we have 2 by 15 after we finished removing the first set of brackets here, 2 by 15 plus, now let's take the next one, 24 by 21 into 7 by 8. Let's cancel. We can cancel 7 and 21. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. We can also cancel 8 and 24 by 8 itself. 8 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So multiply the numerators. 3 1s are 3 and here also 3 1s are 3. 3 by 3 is equal to 1. So let's write here 1 and to give it the denominator 1. So now let's work this out. The LCM will be 15. So let's begin. 15 into 1 is 15. So 2 into 1. 2 1s are 2 plus, take the other rational number, 1 into 15 is 15. So here this also you multiply by 15. 1 into 15 is 15. So what do we have here? 2 plus 15, which is 17 by 15. Now again, this is an improper fraction. Let's convert it to a mixed number. 17 by 15. 15 1s are 15. And when we minus it, 7 minus 5 is 2. So let's write that down. 1, 2 by 15. So our final answer here is 1, 2 by 15. Question 5. Here again in brackets, we have this operation first, then we have a subtraction, and we have this operation. So we need to finish what's within brackets. Let's do the first set of brackets. Minus 35 by 39 into minus 13 by 7. Okay, so what can be cancelled here? The minus signs cannot be cancelled because they're both in the numerator. If you have one in the numerator and one in the denominator, only then can you cancel it. Now I can cancel 7 and 35. 7 1s are 7 and 7 5s are 35, so I carry the minus sign. Minus 5. Now I can cancel 13 and 39. 13 into 1, that will be minus 1, is 30 minus 13, and 13 3s are 39. So what do I have here? Minus 5 into minus 1. Minus into minus is plus. 5 1s are 5. And in the denominator, 3 into 1 is 3. So what do I have? 5 by 3. So let's write that. Now let's remove the brackets for the next set of expressions. So we have 7 by 90 into minus 18 by 14. Okay, now let's see what we can cancel here. I can cancel 7 and 14. 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. We can cancel 18 and 90 also. 18 ones are 18, so the minus sign will be then. And 18 fives are 90. So now what do we have? We multiply the numerators 1 into minus 1. 1 ones are 1, so minus 1. And the denominator is 5 into 2, which is 10. So we have minus 1 by 10. So the first set of brackets that we removed, we got the answer as 5 by 3 minus, now the next set we got minus 1 by 10. Minus 1 by 10. Now let's remove these brackets also, so that becomes 5 by 3. Now when you see minus before a bracket, the sign of the integer inside, the rational number inside will change. This sign will change. So instead of minus now, we're going to write plus 1 by 10. So let's write that. So that is plus 1 by 10. Now we're going to add a 5 by 3 plus 1 by 10. We have to find the LCM of the denominators 3 and 10. So let's find the LCM of the denominators here. 3, let's begin with 3. Ones are 3 and then 10. And then we'll go on to 2, 1 and 2 fives are 10. Then we go on to 5. So that will be 1 and 5 ones are 5. So let's find the LCM here. So LCM will be 3 into 2 into 5. So that is 3 twos are 6, 6 fives are 30. So LCM is 30 and we're going to use LCM as a common denominator here. So the LCM is 30. So let's do 3 into 10 is 30. So multiply 5 by 10. So that will be 5 tens are 50 plus the next denominator is 10. 10 into 3 is 30. So 1 into 3. 1 threes are 3. So this is 50 plus 3, which is 53. 53 by 30. Now we have to convert this to a mixed number. So let's divide 53 by 30. So that will be 31s are 30 minus 3 and 2, 23. So this will be 123 by 30. So our final answer here will be 123 by 30. So here again, question 6, we have 3 operations within brackets. We need to work out these first. So let's work out the first one, that is minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 2. Okay, is there something that we can cancel here? We can cancel 2 and 4. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4, and that minus sign will carry it up. Now there's nothing else that we can cancel, so let's multiply the numerators. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6, 2 threes are 6. And denominators 5 into 1 is 5, so minus 6 by 5. So let's write that down here. So the first set of brackets we have opened, we have removed it and we've got minus 6 by 5 plus, let's go to the next one, that is 9 by minus 5 into 10 by 3. So here what can we cancel? We can cancel 5 and 10. So 5 ones are 5, that is minus 1. 5 twos are 10. 3 and 9, 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. Let's multiply the numerators. 3 twos are 6. Denominators 1 into 1 is 1. So we have minus 1. 6 by minus 1. So let's write that there. So this is 6 by minus 1. Now let's go to the last one. Here we have minus 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 4. So here, is there anything we can cancel? Now here, since we have nothing to cancel, we'll multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So minus 3 into minus 1. Minus into minus is plus. 3 ones are 3. And in the denominator, we have 2 into 4. 2 fours are 8. So we have 3 by 8. So this is minus, and we write 3 by 8 here. So now we have all our fractions. Rational numbers are here. Now the first rational number minus 6 by 5 can be written as it is. The second one, the denominator is negative. So we're going to move the minus sign from here and put it for the numerator. So that becomes minus 6 by 1. So that is minus 6 by 1. and here we have minus 3 by 8. So now let's find the LCM of the denominators, that is 5 and 8. Let's do that. 5 and 8. Let's begin with 5. 5 ones are 5. 8 I bring down as it is. Now I go to 2. 1 and 2 fours are 8. Then I continue again. 2, 1 and 2 twos are 4. Continue. 2 again. 1 and 1. So what is the LCM? LCM is 5 into 2 into 2 into 2. So let's multiply these. 5 twos are 10, 10 twos are 20, 20 twos are 40. So our LCM is 40, which we are going to use as the common denominator here. So this is 40. Now 5 into 6 is 40. So minus 6, 5 into 8 is 40. 5 into 8 is 40. So minus 6 into 8. So let me repeat that. 5 eights are 40. So I multiply minus 6 also into 8. So that is minus 48. So minus 48. And then let's go to the next one. Plus 1 into 40 is 40. So we have to multiply minus 6 into 40. So that will be minus 6 fours are 24. So 6 into 40 will be minus 240 here. Then let's go on to the next one. We have minus 8 into 5 is 40. So multiply 3 into 5. 3 fives are 15. So that is 15 there. Now we need to work this out. Let's remove the brackets and see what we have. So here we have minus 48. And before minus 240, it's a plus sign, so no change. So minus 240. And here this is a plus sign, so that when we open the brackets becomes minus 15. This by 40. Now as you can see, they're all minus signs. When signs are the same, put the same sign and add. So we need to add up all these. So that is 48, 240 and 15. We need to add. 8 plus 5 is 13. Carry 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 4 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. Carry 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So that is minus 303 by 40. Now we have to convert this to a mixed number. So let's divide 303 by 40. So 40 into 7. 4 sevens are 28, isn't it? So 40 into 7 will be 280. Trying to get a number close to 303. So this is 3 and then we borrow. So this is 10 minus 8 is 2. So 7 we have as a quotient, 23 is a remainder. So now let's use that. 7, 23 by 40 and don't forget to put the minus sign. Question 4. Find the cost of 3 1/2 meters cloth or 3.5 meters of cloth if 1 meter cloth costs rupees 325 1/2. So here we've been given the cost of 1 meter and we've been asked to find the cost of 3 1/2 meters of cloth. So whenever the cost of 1 is given and you have to find the cost of many, it is a multiplication word problem. So let's begin with our statements now. So the cost of 1 meter of cloth is given to us. It is rupees 325 1/2. This is the cost of 1 meter of cloth. Now we have to find the cost of 3 1/2 meters of cloth. That means we need to multiply these two. 325 1/2 into 3 1/2. So let's do this multiplication. So when we multiply, first we need to convert 325 into 2 plus 1. So let's do that. 325 into 2. 2 fives are 10, carry 1. 2 twos are 4 plus 1 5. 2 threes are 6, 650 plus 1. So that becomes 651. So here we have 651 by 2 into. Now let's convert this. 2 into 3. So 2 threes are 6 plus 1 is 7. So that is 7 by 2. So this is 7 by 2. Now here we can cancel if it's possible, but as you can see, we are not able to cancel anything here. So what we do is we multiply the numerators. So let's multiply 651 into 7. So that is 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35, carry 3, 7 6 are 42, plus 3, 45. So on multiplying the numerators, we get 4557, and in the denominator, 2 2s are 4. So now let's make this a mixed number. That means we divide 4557 by 4. So let's do that division. 4557 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, minus, bring down 5. 4 ones are 4, minus 1, and then you get the 5, 15. 4 threes are 12, minus 37. 4 nines are 36. And the remainder is 1. So now we get a mixed number 1139, 1 by 4. So since this is a cost, we put the rupees symbol here. So we have found the cost of 3.5 meters of cloth, which is 1139, 1 by 4 rupees. Next question. A bus is moving with a speed of 65 1 by 2 kilometers per hour. How much distance will it cover in 1 by 3 hours? So we have been given the speed per hour. That means in 1 hour, it's covering 65.5 kilometers. Now we need to see how far it will go in 1 by 3 hours. So let's start with our statements. Our first statement, distance covered in 1 hour. Distance covered is 65 1 by 2 kilometers. Now we have to find how far it will go in 1 by 3 hours, and whenever you are given for 1, as it is here, whenever you've been given for 1 and you've been asked for more than 1, it is multiplication. So let's multiply 65 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. So this is the multiplication, 65 1 by 2 kilometers into 1 by 3 hours. So we're going to multiply this. So let's convert. First step is converting 2 into 65 plus 1. So 65 into 2 is 130, and then plus 1 is 131. So 131 by 2 into, now let's convert on the other side. 3 ones are 3, plus 1 is 4, so that is 4 by 3. So here we can cancel 2 and 4. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So now we multiply the numerators. 131 into 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 ones are 2. So in the numerator we have 262. And in the denominator 1 into 3. 1 threes are 3. So we have 262 by 3, which is an improper fraction. So let's convert it to a mixed number. 262, let's divide this by 3. 3 eighths are 24, minus 6 minus 4 is 2. You bring down the other 2. Now this is 22. 3 sevens are 21, minus the remainder is 1 here. So now we have our mixed number 87 1 by 3, and since this is a distance, we are talking about the distance covered, isn't it? So since it's distance, this will be in kilometers. So the answer here is distance covered in 1 by 3 hours is 87 1 by 3 kilometers. So we'll stop with this for now, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.